Hey people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. There was a sigh of relief across the island this afternoon. I am so happy. I prayed for mercy, and I know a lot of people prayed as well, and God answered all the prayers and granted Phylisa mercy. So as news came that 9-year-old Phylisa Prussia, who was abducted from her home in Bath, St. Thomas, and Thursday, has been found alive. Phylisa was found in Arcadia, St. Thomas. According to police reports, Phylisa was found after information was received on the whereabouts of her alleged abductor, Davian Bryan. Phylisa was taken to the Princess Margaret Hospital for medical examination. I saw a video of Phylisa's auntie, and she was saying that mosquitoes bit Phylisa all over her face and her body. So there is a rash. So I know that the doctors and nurses at the Princess Margaret Hospital will take care of that. And she's getting a medical checkup, which is very important at this time because the doctors, nurses, of course, are checking her to see whether she was raped or not. I know that it is a possibility that she was raped because Davian Bryan, the drunko who abducted her, is a rapist. But I am just holding on to the 1% that he didn't rape her. I hope the Almighty squeezes his penis that it couldn't stand up. Yeah, man, that is possible. But I know the doctors are checking her to see whether or not, you don't know, she was raped, and if she was raped, if the drunk gave her any infection, and she has to be tested for coronavirus as well, and all of them something there. Yeah, man, so me don't know, say the doctors and nurses will take very good care of our little fella, because that's what they call her in her community. Because right now fella belongs to all of us, you know. All of us will want to know how fella is doing when the time is right. We not rush nothing at this time. Privacy towards the family, I understand that. To my understanding, Davian raped a woman in Portland, and on a condition of his bail, he had to leave Portland. Therefore, he went to St. Thomas to stay with a family friend, according to police. Now, in my opinion, he should have been able to stay in Portland, in the district where he committed the offense, so that he can be watched. Everyone would have been on their P's and Q's, because they know say I'm a rapist. But them probably glad to get rid of him out of the district as well. And so he went to stay in Bath, St. Thomas, with a family friend, and nobody St. Thomas, Bath, St. Thomas knows him a rapist, except, you know, for the people them who he was living with. So he's in the community walking among women, among children, grinning off in 32. The residents probably treating him like human, and you don't know, say he's a vicious animal. So I don't know, man, because the police also said that the same night that he abducted Phylisa, earlier that night he attempted to rape a woman. You understand? And it was the woman's boyfriend who saved her. He even used a knife to cut the woman on her hand. So that man is a rapist and a vicious one as well. I don't know. But they need to catch him as soon as possible. The community is not safe with him out there. And he can move from one parish to the other parish. So none of we not safe neither. He's a vicious rapist. Yeah, man. Big up to the people of St. Thomas and the police force. The residents turned out in numbers working with the police, searching for Phylisa. You see what can happen when residents and police work together? A lot of crimes can solve. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man. Yeah, man. Maximum respect. Yeah, man. So once again, I am so happy that Phylisa was found alive. Just as I was ending this recording, I saw a post that said another girl gone missing from Bath, St. Thomas. That's the same district where Phylisa is living and was abducted. What is not this? Her name is Winshay Barrett and she is 13. News of her disappearance came hours after an intense search led to the rescue of 9-year-old Phylisa Prussia, who was abducted from her home also in Bath. Davian Bryan strike again, or is it a copycat? I will have more about this whenever time I get, or I should say I got factual updates, because I do not want to speculate at this time. I am hoping for the same outcome just like Phylisa. Jesus. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, liking my videos, sharing my videos, leaving comments. Walk good.